How to find winning products for dropshipping on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial that how you can find dropshipping products that will do well on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will require a dropshipping platform or a product supplier. So I am using CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping has all variety of products that we need, and it will give us different products for our dropshipping so that we can promote them on TikTok, and it will give us the best products that are for TikTok. So how we can actually find them? You just go to CJ Dropshipping, and now they have this amazing recommended product for e-commerce platform. So this option allows us to actually just select a platform, and it gives us the right products that are doing well on that particular platform. Like for example, we have TikTok, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify. So we are focusing on TikTok. So I'm just going to click right here, and it will open up the top winning TikTok products to make your business go viral. So here we have the products that are good to do drop shipping through TikTok, to promote the products on TikTok, and the products that actually do well if you have a business on TikTok. So you can see right here we have like necklaces, and we have shoes, and some jewelry, some of the different gadgets, and we have accessories that are famous on TikTok nowadays. So you will be able to find the products right here. And now I know the top selling products on TikTok, the products people are looking for. So I will just add to my cart, and you can see the prices are also pretty cheap. Like this one right here, automatic foot rubbing cellulose pedicure. So I can actually get this one just from 0.30, like just 30 cents, and then I can sell it for maybe like 15 to $20. So it's a lot of profit when it comes to getting products from CJ Dropshipping. You can go ahead and check out cjdropshipping.com and just go to TikTok, and you can also connect your TikTok to CJ to just import the products really quickly. So now you know how to find the top winning TikTok products to make your business go viral and simply do drop shipping. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.